Yahoo! Hello mga masters at mga kaji! Good morning po sa inyong lahat dyan sa Pilipinas at sa buong Asian countries. At kung sama kayong lapalop ng ating daigdig, ay hayaan niyo muna kami ng ating one and only G, the Green Girly Kitty Patuti Iguana. Nabatiin po kayo ng good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, at good night na po sa mga ready nang matulog. At alam kong marami kayong nagawa ngayong araw na to, kaya medyo rest time na po sa mga gabi na tutulog na dyan. Hihingin ko muna ang inyong 12 minutes sa mga libre pa para sa ating G and Daddy Health and Lifestyle Tips. Ngayon po ay tayo ay nagbigay na po ng 8 na mga health tips to start your day or to start the year. Siyempre dahil 2025 na. And ayun po, mga masters and mga ka-G, kailangan na po nating magbago para po magiging long pa ang ating life. Longer, happier, and more productive years to come. Okay, so 8 na po ang ating nabigay na mga tips. Ang pinakauna po is get some exercise. Number 2 is eat a balanced diet. Number 3 is get sufficient sleep. Number 4, stay hydrated. Number 5, limit screen time. Number 6, socialize with friends and family. And number 7 is adopt a growth mindset. And number 8, ayun na pong last natin kahapon, is spend time in nature. So yun na po ang ating nabigay. 8 na po eh. Let's proceed to the number 9. So ano po yung number 9 mga masters and mga ka-G? Practice mindfulness. Practice mindfulness. Ano po ang mindfulness? Mindfulness is a powerful practice that can reduce stress, improve mental health, and promote overall well-being. Mindfulness. Dedicate a few minutes to daily to mindfulness practices. So may mga apps po mga masters, no? May mga apps and mga ka-G na pwede niyo pong tingnan. Or mindfulness practices. Tingnan niyo po kung ano yung mga mindfulness practices na yun. So use apps like Calm for guided sessions, including meditations and simple breathing exercises to anchor you to the present. So, yung mga mindfulness practices po yan. Titingnan natin kung anong po yung pwede nating mabigay na tips sa ating mindfulness exercises. So, ang pwede po dyan mga masters, of course, mga ka-G, is magiging open po tayo sa lahat ng mga, di ba? Sa lahat po ng mga suggestions, mga articles. We all crave inner peace, but what actually is it and how do we find it? Sino ba sa inyo dito yung gusto ng inner peace? Yung peaceful talaga, parang wala ka pong problema. O, diba? We explore mindfulness practices to help cultivate peace within ourselves. Kailangan po natin yan. Inner peace, ano pong inner peace mga masters? Is a state of tranquility, tranquil, or peacefulness. Ang tawag po dyan. Kaya syempre inner peace, where you feel at ease with yourself. Parang at ease ka, wala ka talagang kaproblema. Okay? And not just with yourself, but with others and the world around you. It's about being fully present and comfortable in your skin. So, komportable ka lang po sa status mo. Parang very, very comfortable ka. Wala kang mga awkwardness sa sarili mo. Importante po yan, mga masters and mga ka-G, di ba? Okay? Less impacted from anxiety, worry, and stress. Ayun, wala ka pong ka-stress-stress. Wala ka pong ka-worry-worry at wala kang anxiety. Okay, sino ba yung may gusto niyan? Okay? When you experience inner peace, you accept who you are. Tanggap na tanggap mo po kung sino ka pag meron kang inner peace, mga masters and mga ka-G. Your strengths, your flaws, desires, dreams, everything that makes you uniquely you. Tanggap na tanggap mo po yung sarili mo. Confident ka po. At wala ka pong pagdududa sa iyong sarili. Yun po ang tinatawag nating inner peace. Uulitin ko po. When you experience inner peace, you accept who you are. Your strengths, flaws, desires, dreams. Everything that makes you uniquely you. Ikaw at ikaw lang yan. You also feel more accepting of the world around you and the situations that are unfolding, so you're less negatively impacted by anxiety, worry, and stress. Ano man ang mangyayari sa paligid mo, mga masters and mga ka-G, ay wala kang pakialam dahil meron kang inner peace. Alam mo sa sarili mo na peaceful ka at contented ka at komportable ka po sa status mo. O, diba? Inner peace is essentially equanimity in action. Equanimity in action. Ano bang equanimity? Equanimity, bagong word naman po yan, di ba? Finding inner peace isn't about brief respites from stress or moments of relaxation. A state of inner peace can be maintained through equanimity. Equanimity is a skill you can learn which helps you keep a calm and balanced state of mind. It's a skill. Skill po yan, mga masters. Kailangan po nating i-develop yan dahil skill po yan, hindi po yun talent. Skill po yan. At hindi po yun gift lang or God-given gift lang. Skill po yan na kailangan po natin yan talagang i-develop. Okay, pag may skill ka po of equanimity, okay, paano ba i-spell yung equanimity? Ayan po, equanimity. Equanimity. Kita niyo ba? Equanimity. Yan, di ba? So, nagbabasa ako para medyo sure ball ang ating topic. Hindi lang po ito basta-basta nagawa-gawa ko lang. Okay? So, again, is a state of inner peace can be maintained through equanimity. Equanimity is a skill you can learn. Pinag-learn po yan at dine-develop po yan. Tandaan niyo po yan, ha? Okay? So, which helps you keep a calm and balanced state of mind, regardless of the various ups and downs that life throws your way. Kahit ano pa ang mangyari sa mundo, dahil meron kang skill of equanimity, ay stable pa rin yung iyong sarili. So, you're okay if things are okay. But you're also okay if things aren't feeling okay. Mindfulness is the key. As in, wala ka talaga pakialam. Kung okay man ang mundo, okay na okay ka. Pag hindi naman okay yung sa labas, wala ka naman pakialam kasi okay ka pa rin. Yan po ang kailangan po nating i-develop. Okay? So, meron po tayong mga mindfulness tips para ma-help to help find inner peace. So, ano po? Meditation. Importante po yung meditation, mga masters. Despite being a simple act, meditation can profoundly affect your mental state. Okay? Marami po, niuubo pa rin po ako. Marami po ang mga meditations. How to meditate? Find a cozy spot away from the hustle and bustle. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and let it out slowly. Don't worry about doing it perfectly. Ayan na po, mag-concentrate at mag-meditate. A few minutes can make a big difference. Remember, resources like calm are here to help. May mga campus silang mga articles po. Okay? So we have hundreds of meditations and programs to support you build a meditation practice. So marami po mga meditational practices na pwede matagpuan po sa YouTube or sa article sa internet. O, di ba? Ayan po, importante po dyan mga masters. And live in the present. Live in the present. Cultivate a positive mindset. Develop love for yourself. Practice self-care. Visualize a peaceful place. Learn to breathe effectively. Access nature. Be grateful. Work on acceptance. Practice non-judgment. Foster deeper connections. Ayan po, i-discuss natin yan in the future. Bukas. Kasi nagpunta tayo sa ibang topic ngayon. So, ang topic natin is 12 mindfulness tips to help you find inner peace. Alright. So, for now, yan na muna ang topic natin, mga masters and mga ka-G. Ay, dahil 12 minutes lang po ang nating time. Kaya, kita-kits ulit tayo bukas. At I am very happy at nandyan pa rin po kayo. Kahit 2025 na, and willing po kayong mag-learn at makinig po sa ating G and Daddy Health and Lifestyle Tips. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat dyan, mga masters and mga ka-G. At kita-kits ulit tayo bukas. Again, this is your one and only Master Worm and G, the green girly cutie patootie iguana. God is great. Yahoo!